Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change name on tickets in Ticketek. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Ticketek account, which of course you've done right here. And next I'm going to walk you through the process of creating a Ticketek account. Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type ticketek.com and that's going to take you to the official website. In the website, follow through with the on-screen prompt to create your own account. And once you're done creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Ticketek. Now that we're able to hop into today's text, which is how to change name on Ticketek. So the first question we're going to ask ourselves is it possible to actually change your name on your tickets in Ticketek? No. As at today, you can't change your name on Ticketek. But here's what you can do. You can transfer your ticket to someone else using someone else's name, and then the person with the valid ticket can attend the event. So here's some tips that you really have to find or you have to consider. Now, once you use like some tickets, of course, during your purchase, will be active delivery method. And if you use SMS tickets, which is definitely provided, or print, let's say SMS, here's how you can make that decision to change the name on your tickets. Now you have to download the Ticketek app so you can share the tickets in the tickets holder's name. Now this implies that sharing is mostly restricted to the Ticketek mobile application. So once you click on, or once you open up your mobile application, just follow through the steps. Click on tickets at the bottom right corner and then select the tickets that you want to share. You're going to see two options next to your ticket: view and share. Click on the share button and enter the person's email and enter the person's name. And that ticket is going to be transferred to that person using a different name. So this is how you can actually change it, because the actual person who, of course, ordered the tickets may not necessarily be the person to attend. So you can transfer your ticket using the name of the person you want to transfer it to. Now it says anyone holding the valid tickets with permitted entry to the event with special entry conditions do not apply. Now check your event page for special conditions, because some ticket types or events may insist the ticket holder plus guests enter together and they are not transferable. So you need to be sure of these conditions, which is pretty much how you can change them on ticket. But if you ordered originally, you cannot change your own name, but you can transfer to someone else using a different name. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, be good to go. I hope this video helped you search.